Hey guys, I want to get on here and show you three of my favorite things that I love for the month of May. I have some favorites other things, but I thought, I am not going to get that big old bag out. And so I'm just going to sort of do them at times to show you things that I like, things I like to use, I do this from time to time, as most of you know, the ones that have been with me for a very long time. First of all, I'm going to show you one of my favorite totes that I have. It's a Vince Camuto. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I sometimes don't pronounce things like other people pronounce, but that's okay. But this Vince Camuto is a tote. I really like it. When I go out, you can tell it's not many compartments with it. It's vegan. It's just got one. It's strictly for a tote. It's got a little right here, a little pocket, just that it. No zip up, no thing and everything. But it's really for toting. If you want to tote something, like if I go shopping and I just put it around right here around my shoulder, and I can carry it with my other bag, and it's not so bulky. And then you have all those sacks. I just throw them all in here. Usually they're little plastic sacks, so I just put them in here. But it does come with a dust bag, so I keep it in my closet. But I like this one. It's got the gray and the black, so I wear a lot of black, so that works out great. The next thing that I like, excuse me, here, I get these, the Neutrogena, the towelettes, and they are wonderful. They're good for me. Now, what I like, my favorites may not be your favorites, but I love Neutrogena. I've tried all kinds of other ones, and it doesn't work for my skin type for some reason. It doesn't get all the makeup off, but this gets all my makeup off. But I get these at Costco. Did I say that already? I may repeat myself. I don't know. But anyway, and you get four of the big ones. Four big ones. You get two of the travel ones, and then you get the little single ones, which I like when you travel. So I like them. I like them. I do. I like this, and it's it's enough. I should put a date. Sometimes I used to put dates on things and see how long it lasts me to use one of these. But the little towelettes, and I may have showed these before, and if I have. But these are the little ones. And you can throw them in your pocketbook when you travel, these are the next size, which these I put in with my makeup when I'm traveling. You get, as I said, two of those. And this is the bigger one. It's the bigger one. And I have the little case. You can get them in Walgreens, CVS, whatever. The container, the plastic container. I don't have one here. But I just throw them in, and it keeps them, where they don't dry out. Love it, love it, love it. Love them. I will continue to get those. My next thing I love is my Oral-B Black 7000. I love this toothbrush. This toothbrush is, I've been using Oral-B for years, and you just can't go wrong with them. We have one that we travel with. My husband has one, I have one. We could use the same one, but I don't know, we've always had, he's had one, not mine, his is in his carry-on, and mine's in my carry-on, but we really like it, and this one is a newer version. It's got 7 features on it. You can program it to your iPhone, and you can, when you're brushing, it'll tell you where you're not brushing well enough, or where you're missing places, or if you're doing a really good job. It also has a timer on here, a little timer that it times. Let's see if we got a picture of it right here. Here it is. The timer back here. This timer, it'll buzz. It'll go bump, 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 or that doesn't really do that, but it lets you know that you've got with your 2 minutes. I usually go over 2 minutes. It's sort of like a game. I have a nephew. His birthday is 2/2. Okay, February 2nd. And so I do 2 minutes and 2 seconds sometimes. I do it sometimes my birthday. I do sometimes my niece's birthday is 2:20. I mean, it's so funny. But I do it over it. I just want to make sure I've got everything cleaned and really good and very well and everything. But I really love the little timer. It's really great. It's got a carrying case with it. And this little stand, I don't use this stand. I just put it in my drawer. And then it has 2 heads that comes with it. And then you can buy extra heads, of course. But I like, you can see where it travels, how it travels like that. And there's a little smiley face. And if you're brushing really hard and you're brushing too hard, it'll have a little frown face. So it's really cute. But I love this. If you're looking for a electric toothbrush, I would try the Oral-B. That's all I've used, and I've probably been using them ever since they came out. Ever since they've come out. My dentist showed me them when they came out, and they started selling them, and I bought my first one there, and then I think I bought this one. I bought this one online. So Amazon, check your prices, because you can get better prices sometimes than you can, you can check the prices. Okay, that's what I like. That's my favorites for this week. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you may get one or might get one back. Until tomorrow, and stay tuned for daily doses of encouragement each day. I love you.